What's up guys, welcome back. This is Harsh and today we're gonna show you how we can present avocado gelato in a nice beautiful way for your restaurant, fine dining, outlets or even for your house. The recipes and the method that we have used in this video is in the description down below. Shall we go to the kitchen? Let's do it. First we're gonna handpick the nice shapes of avocado without any mark and remove this sticker because it's gonna go in front of our guest. We're gonna cut the avocado from the middle as we're gonna show you in the video. While cutting the avocado, we just have to make sure that we don't smash the skin inside. What I mean to say is that we have to cut this avocado as clean as possible. The reason behind it, the goal that we want to achieve is that we're gonna present the same avocado in the same way to the guest. So in place of this avocado pulp, we're gonna replace it with avocado gelato, and in place of the seed, we're gonna replace it with a chocolate shell which will contain sea salt and mango curd. And then we're gonna put this on the bowl of the ice and present the same way. We're gonna remove the seeds, and then comes the messy part. We're gonna remove the pulp of the avocado as neatly as possible, and we're gonna use this pulp to make avocado sorbet. The recipe and the method that we use to make avocado sorbet is in the description below. We're gonna make the sorbet and put it in the freezer. Then we're gonna clean this shell as neatly as possible, and then we're gonna drip dry it. After it's get completely dry, you put with the clean film and put it in the freezer so it can store for a long time and it's easy to handle. Once the gelato is ready, we're gonna put the gelato in the shell almost up till the top, and as I said, neatness always count. We're gonna make sure the shell is clean. It looks like this, fully filled shell with avocado gelato. For the seeds, we're gonna use these chocolate shells. These shells are same diameter as the avocado seeds are, medium. Then we're gonna fill this shell with mango curd and sea salt because avocado always tastes good with salt. Then we're gonna make cavity with a round spoon in each avocado half shells, as you can see, and then we're gonna put the chocolate shell as a seed upside down, filling half the cavity as you can see in the video, and we're gonna leave half the shell empty as to make one whole avocado. So this is avocado gelato inside and the shell. So this is how we're gonna present it, just like a freshly cut avocado on the bowl of the ice. In a hot summer day, nothing better to cool off with a freshly avocado sorbet. Some good flavor, rich texture can just make your day. Peace out.